गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। कल निफ्टी हमारे सपोर्ट लेवल ऑफ 24,960 पे आके अच्छा सपोर्ट लिया और वहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 इनसाइड बार करने के बाद एक बहुत ही एक्सप्लोसिव मूव दिया ऊपर की तरफ। आई होप आप लोगों ने many of you would have got it. It surpassed all target expectations that I had and it closed very well. So for today's trading, Nifty will have excellent support at 24,283 levels and 25,336 resistance for today, and on the upside it can easily go to 25,441, which is the critical resistance for today, which is above yesterday's high also, and it can move to 25,500 and 25,585. That's the potential targets on the upside. On the downside, if it doesn't stand above 25,196, then it could fall quite a bit down. But we expect that market will be able to sustain 24,185 and that the market will either be in a sideways mode or will continue its upward journey. Most likely it can continue its upward journey because the closing itself was very good in terms of how the bulls closed. They didn't close it at the high, but rather there was good profit booking, which is always a good sign. So there are some news about Hindenburg and all that. We'll see it when market opens, and today I will be doing the live session, so I look forward to meeting many of you there. Thank you very much for joining and supporting, and this is what happens when we follow our levels and we follow candlesticks. Thank you very much, and I look forward to having a great day with you. Bye bye.